Have you ever wondered what happens when you buy a condominium in Japan? Many foreign buyers think they're simply purchasing an apartment. But in reality, they're also becoming a co-owner of the entire building. And that's where things get interesting. First, let's talk about common areas. When you buy a condo in Japan, you don't just own the inside of your unit. You also share ownership of the entrance, hallways, elevators, roof, exterior walls, and other common spaces with all the other owners. Actually, this is not unique to Japan. Countries like the United States, Australia, and Singapore also have shared ownership of common areas in condominium buildings. However, Japan has some characteristics that many foreign buyers don't expect. One of the biggest differences is the repair reserve fund. Every month, condo owners usually pay not only a management fee, but also a repair reserve fund. This money is saved for future large-scale repairs, such as repainting the exterior walls, waterproofing the roof, or replacing elevators. In some countries, similar costs may only appear when a major repair becomes necessary, resulting in a large one-time bill. Japan's system is designed to collect money gradually over many years. Another important feature is the Condominium Management Association. Major decisions about repairs, renovations, and rebuilding are typically discussed and voted on by the owners. This means that owning a condo is not just about your own apartment, you also share responsibility for the future of the entire building. There are also rules that many foreigners find surprising. Some condominiums prohibit pets, others ban Airbnb or short-term rentals. Even renovation work inside your own unit may require approval from the Management Association. These rules are intended to protect the quality of life for everyone living in the building. So, are Japanese condominiums unique? In some ways, yes. The concept of shared ownership exists in many countries, but Japan places a particularly strong emphasis on long-term maintenance, collective decision-making, and detailed building rules. Before buying property in Japan, it's important to understand that you're not only buying a home or an investment, you're also becoming part of a community that shares the responsibility of maintaining the building together. Knowing these differences can help you avoid unexpected costs and make smarter investment decisions.